Hi everyone, it's me, Alex for Unboxing, and today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Bose Sounding Mini 2 if you're having problems or it just won't sync anymore or something's happening. So let's get right into that. So what you first want to do is power on the device.
Battery 80%. Connected to Alex's iPhone X.
If you don't hear voices, or for example, you do not, you didn't hear that, you hold the plus and minus together.
Voice prompts off.
That's off, but if you hold it again,
Voice prompts on.
it will turn on. If you have too many devices on the speaker and will not pair, hold the power button until you see different
Battery 80%.
You will see the lights go different, like all the lights will blink. Like that.
English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction
Push
button.
plus
Español.
for different languages.
English. To select English,
Is that the language
press
you
and
want?
hold the multifunction button.
Hold the multifunction button.
Ready to pair.
And then, on here, on your device, you will go to Bluetooth.
Select the Bose speaker from your mobile device's Bluetooth list.
So, the blue light means it's trying to pair, so you go down. On other devices, you will see the Bose speaker. It might take a minute. If it does not work, you could just turn it off. Turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on. And you'll see it, you click it, and then the speaker will tell you a success.
Connected to Alex's iPhone X.
So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.